Good morning, students. So our subject is Math 121 or differential equation. So for this module, for week number 1, so for our objectives or outcomes, explain what is meant by solution to a differential equation. And second is distinguish between the general solution and a particular solution of a differential equation. So for the introduction to differential equation, calculus is the mathematics of change, and rates of change are expressed by derivatives. So sa inyuhang last, niagi mo og differential calculus, and second is the integral calculus. So for the differential equation, it is the continuation of integral calculus. So one of the most common ways to use calculus is to set up an equation containing an unknown function y is equal to f of x and y and its derivative, known as a differential equation. So solving such equations often provides information about how quantities change and frequently provides insight into how and why the changes occur. So sa differential equation, it's stated sa atong first paragraph na in a differential equation, there is a unknown function which is y is equal to f of x. So solving equation, provide siya og information nga maka-change sa atuang example nga equation. So techniques for solving differential equations can take many different forms. So like math, simple math problem, so we have a different, pwede ta lahi-lahi og the way to solve or different forms, but same ra gihapon ang atuang answer, including direct solution, use of graphs, or computer calculations. So for DE, pwede ta makasolve, pwede na to siya gamiton into graphs, into a direct solution, or pwede ta makasolve using our computer calculations. So we introduce the main ideas in this chapter and describe them in a little more detail later in the course. So in this section, we study what differential equations are and how to verify their solutions, some methods that are used for solving them, and some example of common and useful equation. So kanina module, naa siya different example on how to solve a differential equation. So first, what is a differential equation? So a differential equation is an equation involving an unknown function and one or more of its derivatives. So sa ato ang calculus, when we derive, so naatay equation nga y f of x. So a solution to a differential equation is a function that satisfies the differential equation and its derivatives are substituted into the equation. So when using a differential equation, there are derivatives that we need to substitute para magamit sa atuang equation. So there are also an order of a differential equation. So differential equations again are classified on the basis of the order. Order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative, or also known as differential coefficient, present in the equation. So kaning order of differential equation giingon nga naay highest highest derivative na makita nato sa tuang equation. So for example number 1, we have a d3x divided by dx cubed plus 3x dy over dx is equal to e raised to y. So in this equation, the order of the highest derivative is 3. Hence, this is a third order differential equation. So makita na to sa itong equation na ang highest derivative niya is 3. So another example, so d raised to 2y divided by dx squared plus open dy divided by dx raised to cube minus 2y is equal to 0. So it is a second order differential equation since it contains second derivative. Kani nga equation nag-contain siya og second derivative. So therefore, it is a second order differential equation. For the last example, so dy over dx is equal to y over 2x. So makita na to sa itong equation, it is a first order differential equations since it contains first derivative sa ato ang dy over dx. So in a differential equation, if naay order, there is also a degree of a differential equation. So what is a degree of differential equation? Is represented by the power of the highest order in the given differential equation. The differential equation must be a polynomial. So take note na ang differential equation must be a polynomial equation and derivatives for the degree to be defined. So dapat first take note ninyo sa differential equation dapat polynomial para ang iyang degree sa equation ma-define. So for example na to, makita na to sa itong example. For pariha ganina sa example na to sa itong order. So same equation, d raised to 2y divided by dx squared plus dy over dx cubed minus 2y is equal to 0. So it is a first order. So munanong nakaingon ta nga first order differential equation since ang power sa atong highest derivative is 1. So kanina equation, ang highest derivative ana niya is raised to 1. So therefore, it is a first order differential equation. So in a differential equation, there are types of solutions of a differential equation. So giingon diri nga there is general solution of an nth order differential equation is one that involves n necessary arbitrary constant. So in arbitrary constant makita na to sa tong equation sa example nga y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 multiply sa x. So natay arbitrary constant which is the c1 og ang atong c2. So kanus-an nato makita ning atong arbitrary constant if na-derive nato ang isa ka equation. If we solve a first order differential equation by variable separable method, we necessarily have to introduce an arbitrary constant as soon as the integration is performed. So giingon ako ganina na ang arbitrary magamit siya if after nato maka-integrate or ma-perform sa atong equation. You can see that a solution of a differential equation of the first order has one necessary arbitrary constant after simplification. So, if naatay differential equation which is first order, so necessary nga there is one arbitrary constant after simplification. Similarly, the general solution of a second order differential equation will contain two necessary arbitrary constant and so on. So same, itong i-explain na to ganina, if we have two necessary arbitrary constant if second degree ang ato ang differential equation. So the general solution geometrically represent an n parameter family of curve. So kaning family of curve, so sa next module i-explain nato na. So the second type of a solutions of a differential equation is a particular solution. So what is particular solution of a differential equation? Is a solution obtained from the general solution by assigning specific values to an arbitrary constant. So we can use particular solution if after nato magamit ning sa atoang ma-solve nato ang atoang general solution, then pwede na ta mo assign sa atoang specific value sa atoang arbitrary constant. So sa makita na to sa atoang equation, wala siya arbitrary kay gagamit na taog specific value sa atoang arbitrary constants. The conditions for calculating the values of the arbitrary constant can be provided to us in the form of an initial value problem or boundary conditions depending on the problem. So please take note nga we have two types of solution sa differential equation. So for continuation, explain nato how to solve for differential equation. So since module 1 pamanta, it is about introduction for the differential equation. So hope nasabtan, and if you have any concern or question, pwede mo comment para ma-answera ni ma'am. So study in advance para for the week module 2 nato ma-sabtan ra. So that's all. Thank you.